Welcome to Vinnie B Presents. In this episode I'm joined by Conan, who's the director of LBC Cleaning, and we're going to be spending a day in the life of his company, seeing exactly what they get up to. Conan, welcome to Vinnie B Presents. Right, we're going to go out on the road today and see exactly what they get up to. So we're just on road, we're just heading to our first job. So we're just going to Wembley and we think, what is it, a round of, is it?
Domestic bins.
Domestic bins. Dimitri, yeah. He's driving there today. First job. Let's just see what the bins look like before they start. As you can see, rotten. His name's Conan, it ain't for no reason. The guy's a 6'4" specimen. So just talk us through it. We're at the first round here, so what's going on?
Yeah, so this is we've got a monthly bin cleaning round built up, so we clean these bins on a monthly basis. So Dimitri will come to the site, take the wheelie bins after they've been emptied, put them in the back of the vehicle in a custom wash bay. All the dirt and all the wastewater is caught on board, so there's no, as you can see, there's no mess left on site. He's jet washing the bins inside and out using disinfectant to kill all the germs, and using a deodorizer and a mop later on to give it a nice dry.
So we're just back at the office. We've just done a morning round out on the road with Dimitri. We've just come back. We're in the office. This is Jo.
Hi there, how you doing?
It's Conan's partner. She's in charge of all the administrative stuff. She's just drumming up business in the background. Where are we off to, Conan?
We're going to go see Mighty Mo. He's on a job doing some pressure washing.
Right. So we'll leave the girls to it in the office. Have a good day.
You too.
Give us a wave. So we're just off to Edgware. I'm going to go see Mo. Mo's cleaning a driveway today, is that right, Conan?
Yeah, he's already cleaned the driveway, so after we clean it, if it's a block paving, we come back and resand it. So that's what Mo's doing today, he's doing the resanding.
How you doing, Mo?
Not too bad, Vinny.
Good, good. What are you up to today?
We're just going to go and do the back patio.
Patio?
And a bit of decking. First important thing is making a customer's house is safety and clean. Customer's paramount. Putting on the sand to fill up the gaps after all the pavement's been cleaned.
Right, so I'm just here with the customer. This is Dave, happy customer. Just going to get a quick testimonial. Just tell us about the service the LBC Cleaning have provided for you.
Very good from start to finish. You know, just very professional, very quick. You know, come out, done a fantastic job on the driveway, which I'm very pleased about, as you can see, and the back garden as well. Very good job. You know, really hard working staff. So yeah, really pleased overall. From just picking up the phone, the customer service from the beginning was very professional. Yeah. The staff that really hard working, and then even the management coming over, just checking on making the jobs done properly.
Yeah, overseeing it.
Yeah, very good.
That quality control.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a happy customer there. Just while we're on the subject, Dave here, I've just been chatting with him. He's actually got his own business as well called Bionet.
Yeah, Bionet Pest Control.
So any pest control needs, this is your man, and stay tuned because he might feature soon in Vinnie B Presents.
We will. Cheers,
Nice
mate.
one.
Nice one.
So we've just left the second job. We're leaving Mo to do the sanding. Conan's slipping off because he's actually heading to a networking event.
Yeah, go to a BNI meeting once a week. There's the badge, and basically, yeah, everybody helps each other to get more business.
And these are the little things you've got to do, you know, when you're trying to expand your business, is network and get yourself in touch with the right people. So it's going to be interesting. What are you up to, Conan?
Hi guys, so we're just picking up some before and after photos from Kevin at Resolution Print. We use them for all our printing needs. They're the best guys around.
So there's Conan's before and after shots. Great prints from Resolution Print.
We are officially the largest ever startup group in BNI UK and Ireland's history, ladies and gentlemen. Give us
Other businesses in the local community benefit because of what we're doing here.
So we've just left the BNI network meeting. Very good, very educational, bit of an eye-opener for myself.
Big up Horizon.
Big up Horizon, eh? So Conan, he attends networking meetings every week. It's benefited your business, right?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I joined nearly 2 years ago, and the investment definitely made a lot of good return on the investment.
Yeah, it's been quite an interesting day, very diverse. We're just back at the office now. Conan's just going to wrap things up for the day.
Apart from the wood and the frames, we can include.
Just trying to get a job booked in, an urgent job. Could you do it?
Thanks, Dragons Love. Cheers. Bye bye. Ka-ching!
So there we have it. Vinnie B Presents, a day in the life of LBC Cleaning. Conan, thanks for showing us around. It's been a very informative day. What are your contact details, Conan?
You can get in contact by calling the office on 0800 566 8896. Or you can go online and book online through our website lbcclean.co.uk.
Alright guys, stay tuned for more Vinnie B Presents. Conan, thank you again, Vinnie.
Stay tuned.